Kaya it's also possible, even on the holiday season, to love your family from a distance.
Again, whatever it takes, protect your peace, mga langga.
Hi, Langga!
This is Jared.
And this is Apple.
Welcome to the Langga Speaks podcast.
Join our beloved conversations
About God's love and joy. Hello everyone, welcome to the Langga Speaks podcast. This is me, Jared.
And this is Apple. And can you believe it, mga Langga?
Can you believe?
Only 2 Sundays left?
Only 2 Sundays left.
Tama ba ako? 2 Sundays left na lang ba for the year?
Di naman, may Christmas pa. Ewan ko, tama ba?
Tama ba? Oo,
tama ka.
Parang ganun, ano? Ang bilis.
Tama ka.
Ang bilis, mga Langga. 2 Sundays left. Kasi the third Sunday would be
January 1.
January 1. Mga Langga, how has 2022 been? It's been a up and down, left and right, back and front.
Sa atin,
kind of whole... Grabe. Grabe yung taon.
Aming kanta ng sa Winnie the Pooh. And then up, down, touch the ground, puts me in the mood.
Up, down, in the mood for food, ba? Pero grabe. But even then, no matter what happened this 2022, thank God pa rin, grabe. Even with 2 weeks to go, there's still a lot of things that I wish could still happen. There's still a lot of things that I'm thankful for what had happened. Pero grabe. Salamat.
Grabe lang talaga yung team mo. Ano ba yung team natin for next year? Grabe.
grabe siya.
Grabacious.
But as we end 2022, is usually itong mga end of the season, end of the year, yung mga isa sa mga busiest seasons natin lahat, diba? Yung Pasko, tapos yung preparation for the New Year.
Yung iba yung parang sobrang anticipation sa Pasko, pero once napapalapit na yung Pasko, lahat sila gusto na matapos yung Pasko.
Oo.
Parang tapusin na lang talaga itong Pasko. Tsaka New Year, yung pumunta sa reunion na yan, sasabihan na naman ako ng mga tita ko dyan. Hindi na naman nila alam mag-small talk.
Tapos gumadami na naman yung mga kailangan kong, yung mga ini-attendan ko mga Secret Santa,
correct.
Mga ganyan.
Kakamustahin na naman ako kung kamusta na akong love life ko. Hindi ba nila alam 50 years old na ako?
Over ka.
Kinakamusta pa rin nila. Ano ba naman yan?
Concern lang naman. Family concern. Loving concern lang naman daw sila. Oo. Diba? Or maybe you're entering into this Christmas season not knowing na you had hoped for it to be good, but maybe it's not. Maybe you couldn't go home to be with your family.
Correct.
Maybe the way how you wanted na sana naka-day off ka, hindi pinayagan, mga ganun. We could all be entering into this season with very, very different.
Pero yung
parang
common
incomplete
dun,
yung sentence ko.
very,
Biri-biri, oo.
very different stress level, let's say.
True.
Kasi minsan stress ka, hindi mo alam iregalo mo. Pero minsan stress ka rin kasi yung nakuha mo regalo nakaka-stress. Yung
ito
nag-effort
yung mga
ka.
Tupperware.
Ito yung nag-effort ka sa Secret Santa mo. Tapos yung Secret Santa mo, kung ano na lang
sa totoo lang ha, I would just like to make a special shout out. Yung sa nag-Secret Santa, yung bumunot sa pangalan ko nung nag-Christmas party tayo with Feast SMD. Sa totoo lang, sa sobrang overwhelmed ako with gratitude. Namula talaga ako. Kasi diba nag-ano tayo?
Shout out natin si Pao.
Thank you Pao talaga. As in hanggang ngayon, ilang araw
hindi siya makamove on.
Hindi pa rin ako makamove on.
Ako din sa Secret Santa ko, sobrang pasasalamat ko. Mapa SMD, mapa kumpanya. Grabe. First time ko para sa kumpanya ko, after 11 years, may tumupad ng wishlist ko. Kasi yung mga nakaraang Christmas namin, hindi ko maintindihan bakit lagi nilang yung mga promo na deodorant.
Di ba? Bakit deodorant yung inuwi mo one
Mabaho
time?
ba ako ha? Ano ba? Nakaka-ano kayo ha? Nakaka-offend kayo. Tapos yung yung tipong, yun, okay lang naman sa akin deodorant, let's say. Kung ginagamit ko.
Kasi yung hindi yun yung brand mo eh.
Bexona naman.
Bexona.
Iba yung tatak. Yung talagang hindi mo gagamitin. Alam mo yun yung mga tatak na pagpasok mo sa grocery, yun yung nasa isang malaking pile na sinisale.
Kasi hindi moving.
O kaya yung pabango na hindi mo alam kung ano yung
maging effect sa body chemistry mo.
Ching-chong-ching. Sa unang spray.
Uy, mga Langga, spoiler talaga. Disclaimer, hindi po mabaho si Jeric Defante.
Siyempre, asawa mo, hindi ka pwede magsalita ng ganun.
Bakit ba? Wala naman sa magagawa. Ako yung may mic. Sinasabi ko lang naman, disclaimer, hindi po mabaho si Jeric Defante.
Mukhang mabaho lang.
Wala akong sinasabi.
Anyway.
So, yun. Oo. So, it could be that you have nga different stress levels compared to the people beside you. But, right now, at this particular moment in time, with this particular week's episode, we want to sana offer you an opportunity to consider, instead of being stressed, to rest, to reflect, to rejuvenate during this particular season in the year. You know, especially na yung, especially kunwari kung may langga ka, yung nakaka-stress talaga, oh my gosh, it's my first Christmas with him.
Ano kailangan namin gawin? Kailangan ba namin mag-get away agad?
Oo, kailangan may matching outfit kami. Nag-cleaning kami ganyan.
Kailangan ko ba magpatahin ng, ano ba yung tawag dito? Yung yarn, yung sweater. yarn.
Uy, completely na. Tapos kung may pamilya, diba? Yung mga iba talaga.
Fleece jacket ba tawag doon?
Hindi naman.
Ano yung tawag doon sa ano? Yung
sweater.
Parang,
Christmas sweaters. Oo.
Papatay, customize pa. No?
Oo. Tapos yung mga iba, diba? Yung mga ibang mga families, nagkakaroon sila ng mga Christmas photo, ng mga matching outfits.
Tayo may ganyan tayo lagi, yung sa may Christmas tree nila. Sa pinsan ko sa side ko, diba?
Pero wala tayong matching.
Hindi, oo.
May photo lang tayo.
Wala tayong mga matching. Lagi lang tayo nilalagay dun sa mga Christmas tree na yan. Oo. But anyway, mga langga, yun nga, as we take a break sa ating mga ganap sa buhay, especially ngayon, i-break muna namin yung catechesis on discernment para sa episode na to, sana hindi pa huli ang lahat kasi meron pa namang 1 linggo bago mag-Christmas. So we wanna give you tips on how you can be restful ngayong Pasko. Diba? Yung may kapahingahan. Of course, we're sourcing this out from our ninong and ninang. Shout out to Dr. Les and Leslie Parrot.
Shout out din sa
Namamas ko po.
Shout out din sa yung sinabi mo. Ang ganda nun yung na-post mo sa group natin. Yung depending on, naalala ba niya yung pangalan mo?
Hindi, si Donna nag-post
si Donna yun. Oo.
Kung hindi nyo naalala yung pangalan ko, tsaka birthday ko, tsaka hindi ka man lang nakikinig ng episode ko, tapos sasabihin mo, inaanak ko yung anak mo. Tigil-tigilan mo.
Taray ng mga scorecards sa mga inaanak. Diba? Hindi naman sa favoritism. We're just being logical and practical.
Speaking of mga inaanak, ito yung tip number 1. Protect your boundaries. So, ngayon, we will make it public. No? Alam naman ng lahat, meron tayong mga pinag-iipunan dito. At alam nyo namang ng lahat na may pandemya.
Totoo.
So, we wanna protect our boundaries.
Totoo. Pero not just financial, kahit emotional. Diba? Minsan physical din. It's so easy kasi na, syempre, pa kasi Christmas, we want everybody to be okay with one another.
Guilty.
Oo. It's so easy to slip into people-pleasing mode na lahat na lang ng mga tao sa paligid mo ay masaya, pero ikaw naman drained. Pero
talagang biniplease mo lang sila. Anong gusto mo? Lechon. Sige, ako nang bahala dyan. Yung gano'n, yung kahit alam mo na, teka lang, madedehado ako sa end month dito Sagad na yung credit card ko, tapos lakas ko pang makapresenta, di ba?
Totoo.
Bilhin niyang karaoke machine na yan, yung may mic, yung may kulay, yung JBL Anchor Essential. Para maging masayang
Preaching
lahat.
To the choir here ba? Parang sobrang family yung example na yan sa'yo, di ba?
Bakit parang
yung
familiar?
tipong, sobrang kailangan natin yan para sa mga get-together. Di ba ang saya? Kasi mahilig naman tayong kumanta.
Parang
pero mas maganda
get-together.
kung maganda yung mga audio, di ba? Total Christmas na.
Yan. Sino ba kasing ganyan magsalita?
Hindi ko talaga alam.
Kung makapresent. Akala mo naman lumalabas ng bahay, lagi lang naman nasa loob.
Totoo.
Nasa loob ng booth.
Family, sounds family.
Again, mga langga, the problem.
Diba? The problem with this is when we try to give more of ourselves to other people, wala naman masama ito being generous But we also have to understand that there needs to be a boundary as well, because what happens is, it can drain our energy. And on this beautiful, joyful season, mga mukhang frazzled, mga mukhang stress na yung mga kagandahan at kagwapuhan ng mga mukha natin, di ba? There's no point in celebrating Christmas if at the end of it all, we're broke, we're exhausted, and then we'll end up resenting this entire season, which, by the way, is not supposed to be about us in the first place.
From all the gift giving, no? Kasi we can be festive while living in our means naman. Huwag mo isipin na after
bye-bye,
ng Pasko,
JBL. Salamat na lang sa lahat.
Salamat talaga sa lahat, di ba? Talaga namang hindi ko ay, ako pala yun. At saka, yung ano dun iisipin mo, pagkatapos ng Pasko, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang buhay. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang bayarin. Hindi matatapos sa Pasko dahil nag-enjoy ka.
Tsaka hello, kung naubusan mo lahat sa 25, hello, meron pa tayong isa pang linggo.
Meron pang New Year. My gosh, wala ka na medianoche. Leche-leche na.
Leche na lang
If you
lahat.
find yourselves feeling, yung talagang na-spread too thin ka na sa budget mo, yung sa stress level mo, sa emotions mo, pag-usapan nyo ng langga mo. Kung wala ka namang langga, pag-usapan mo ng mga langga sa buhay mo, family mo,
True.
best friend mo, di ba? Pag-usapan nyo on how you can work it out. Or maging transparent ka. Sabihin mo talaga yung sitwasyon mo. Di ba? Yun naman talaga yung sitwasyon mo. Baka may mga bagay na pwede mong ipas na. O baka naman pwede na Noche Buena lang, hindi na kailangan mag-celebrate pa ng bongga.
Sa labas.
Sa mismong
on
Pasko.
Christmas Day. Oo.
Exactly. In order to protect your boundaries and enjoy the season, wag natin kalimutan na i-enjoy kung ano ba talaga yung season. What's it's all about? It's not about gift giving lang or the celebration in itself.
Because nga, we always think that Christmas is a season of giving. Yes, that's true. But it's not always financial. That's not the
Yes.
real meaning
You can
of
give your time,
Exactly. You can give your love.
your patience.
Make me feel my love. Mga ganyan. Oh. Number 2, mga langga. Cultivate a calm environment at home. I must admit, medyo mahirap to. Medyo mahirap to. Especially if you're still working and yung mga deadlines, the end of the year, mga end of the month, mga mid of the month, mga bakit lahat na ng month na may deadline, di ba?
Alam niyo naman
Ang
sa
hirap.
especially tayo nandito tayo sa Muslim country,
Exactly.
hindi naman tumitigil ang buhay. Nagse-celebrate pero hindi tumitigil.
Truth.
Kasi hindi naman ito yung major holiday. Tapos ngayon tumapat pa yung Christmas sa Sunday.
Oh.
So, Monday may pasok na.
Totoo. You have to intentionally take a day off to be able to recover from the chaos and the joy and the excitement of Christmas.
Kaya make plenty of time mga langga to slow down, especially kung may mga anak na kayo, lalo na. Pwede ka namang mag-beg off. Kasi kakapagod din yung mga anak mo.
True.
Diba? Pero kung wala ka pa naman,
kung one party to another,
kung wala ka pa namang anak, wala ka pang jowa, i-reserve mo rin yung energy mo. Kasi
kailangan
baka ito yung
mo
time
din yan.
Ito yung time na magkaroon ka ng self-care. Diba? The whole world outside can rush all they want, pero they can be stressed all they want. Pero don't let your home feel that way as well.
It has to be a space. Your home has to be a space. Whether you be living in a 5-bedroom mansion or you're having a bed space, it's always going to be that place of serenity, the place that you can call home, the place that you can call you're secure within those that boundaries.
I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. Okay.
Segue mo, medyo, well,
medyo phlegmatic yung entry
medyo,
ko na.
Well, but it's probably the kape from last night pa kasi within 24 hours pa siya. Pero here's the thing, it's something that Jeric and I really strive for. Alam namin, medyo mahirap to have this calm environment, this serene environment, especially when you have a toddler and kindergartner, running around and causing all kinds of noise. But that's not necessarily what we mean by peace. Peace doesn't necessarily mean silence lang. It's being able to find rest, rejuvenation, and coming home knowing that you're safe, you are secure. And one of the ways that Jeric and I try to implement that in our home with the 2 children, it may be minor, pero we really made a decision na hindi kami maglalagay ng mga malalaking clock sa wall, just so that it would remind us na pagpasok namin sa bahay, it's timelessness. That when we're together, it's together. We're not focused.
Careless timelessness.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yun nga lang, medyo na-late kami sa mga appointment pagdating sa labas kasi nga hindi namin nakita yung orasan.
Excuse me, meron tayong Hey Google.
Hey Google, what time is it? Baka mamaya sumagot sa'yo. So, yun.
Of course, you have to cultivate a calm, peaceful environment for your home. And if you have children, encourage them also na magkaroon din ng quiet time. Kaya yung mga anak namin, tinatranquilize namin. Painumin ng cup syrup yung mga yan. Anyway, number 3 is don't engage in drama. Madrama yung mga anak namin. Grabe. As in, kami mismo napapadrama na sa drama nila.
Kanina, yung drama ni Joseph tsaka ni Jeric, sobrang aga, nagluluto lang ako ng lunch. Tapos narinig ko, nag-aaway naman yung dalawa. Yun kasi, si Jeric and I, we believe in regularly finding yung mga things sa bahay na pwede mo naman kasi ipamigay, you can donate it, or kung declutter is the word. So when he started decluttering monitoring the toys of the children, alam naman namin na hindi naman nila nilalaro. Ala, biglang nagdrama si Joseph, even though when he was playing with Lego at the time, na hindi naman niya napansin yung laruan na yun.
Yeah.
My goodness, it was a good, siguro mga 15 minutes
Sobrang
ng
drama talaga.
Nakakaloka.
While the holidays are a wonderful time of the year, ano yan, notorious din yan sa mga drama. Siyempre, magkaka-reunion. Magkikita yung mga magkakagalit dati.
Ay.
Kasi libre yung lunch eh. Libre yung dinner, di ba? Baka naman. So, yun. It's not uncommon for couples also to feel na hinihila ka sa iba't ibang direksyon.
True.
Lalo na sa magbuhay mag-asawa. Sa mga wala pang asawa, ito yung kailangan yung paghandaan. Kasi dalawa na yung pamilya mo eh.
True.
So ngayon, kailangan yung schedule yan. So sa amin ni Apple, what worked for us is, okay, sa side ko, it's either Christmas or New Year. So pag Christmas sa side ni Apple, yung New Year ko, I allocate for my family.
Exactly.
So ganun yung what worked for us. So kailangan pag-usapan nyo yung yearly struggle na ito. Challenge to eh.
Oo.
Hindi pwedeng one-sided lang. Ayoko doon kasi yung Noche Buena doon, ano lang, lechong tuyo.
Bago yun ah. Bago yun ah.
Ayoko doon kasi yung handa lang nung nanay mo, rellenong dilis.
Oh my gosh, judger.
Puro seafood yung ano ko.
Judger.
Paano mo irerelyan yung dilis? Sige nga.
Oo nga, ang sinasabi ko lang, paano, hindi mo magagawa yun. Ang sinasabi ko, minsan naman kasi, everybody has different ways and different capacities of spending, but it should not be a reason for you to stop developing or stop yourself from creating opportunities to develop relationships with both sides of the family.
Pero mga lang kapag may nakita kong rellenong dilis ha.
Ay naku, talaga mag-grab talaga
ako. Pag hindi ko
ako.
naramdaman yung pasas sa loob ng rellenong dilis na yun.
Mas malaki nga yung pasas kasi sa dilis, di ba?
Again, mga langga, you have to be ready for this. Kasi, syempre, extended family members, yung iba naman doon, well-meaning lang, hindi lang talaga sila marunong mag-small talk.
True.
So, talagang mag-misbehave sila during this time.
Darating talaga si Tita Mema.
Tita Mema. Yung umutang sa'yo.
Oo.
Yung umutang sa'yo, na hindi, nakalimutan na niya.
Pero ikaw, hugot-hugot mo pa rin yun.
Correct. So, ready ka dyan. Ready mo yung puso mo. Kasi if you're spending a part of your holidays around difficult people, the least you can do is control yourself by not engaging in drama.
True.
Kasi yung sarili mo lang kontrolado mo eh. Yung pagiging mema nila, pagiging taklesan nila, wala kang control doon.
Oo.
Ganun talaga eh.
So, doon ka na lang kumain sa banyo.
Mag-ate shawi ka na lang agad. Sabihin mo meron ka pang other matters in hand.
Other appointment.
At least ipakita ka, attendance.
True.
Kunin mo lang yung yung Secret Santa mo. Tapos alis ka na. Ganun.
But, here's the thing, kahit family natin sila, we should also not feel obligated to spend our time with people who are destructive to your marriage and who are destructive to the family that you're trying to create. Kasi whatever it does, especially pag may asawa at may mga anak ka na, kung alam mo may mga tao na who are hurting your children, who are causing pain to your children, it is your responsibility as the parent of your children to protect them. Kaya it's also possible, even on the holiday season, to love your family from a distance.
Again, whatever it takes, protect your peace, mga langga. Number 4 is
focus on activities that help you feel relaxed and restored. Ito nga, minsan kasi yung ibang mga activities, minsan yung mga mag-asawa or magkalangga, magkaiba eh. Yung definition ng relaxed, definition ng restored. Minsan niyaya ko si Jerry, halika langga, mag-hiking tayo. Ayaw talaga eh. Okay. Sige, gano'n.
Sabi ko, hindi mo nang marirelax dyan. Makakapagod yan. Lalo na kung may dala-dala pang dalawang bata.
Halika lang go, let's just drive out. I just want to have fresh air.
Okay naman yun. Pero syempre, saan mo iiwan yung mga bata sa roadside?
Grabe siya. But the thing is kasi, the idea is to be able to find that activity that will also help you relax and feel restored during the new year. Kasi during the holiday season.
So sa atin, Reborn Rich yan.
Reborn Rich.
Tsaka My Hero Academia yan. Yan talaga nakakapag-restore. Kasi habang nanonood kami nun.
Habang kumakain ng ramyun.
Ramyun, seaweed noodles, ano pa ba, cheese ramen. Otogi, baka naman, sponsored. Dami naming MSG sa katawan. You have to take some time talaga lang. Importante yan. That you and your langga will feel rested.
Especially if you have kids. I know it's very, very difficult. But I'm sure that kasi minsan naisip natin, okay, to have a kidless date, kailangan umalis kami ng bahay, kailangan mag-schedule talaga, iwanan yung mga bata kung saan. It's all a matter of having that intention of spending time together as a couple, right? Ideas na yung to just be able to have a cup of coffee together. Alam ko medyo mahirap din. Especially pag maaga gumising mga anak mo. Tapos sasabay sila sa kape mo, ganyan. Ikaw naman gusto mo matulog. But it's just...
kasi medyo ngayon kasi, pag nagkape kami together ni Apple, medyo matatagalan kasi
nagpo-pour over pa siya. Wala pa kasi kaming automatic grinder.
Oo, baka naman Varia VS3 grinder.
Hindi na ka nagbaka naman. Sa kanila o sa akin?
Hindi, nagpaparinig lang tayo sa mga sponsors natin. Maraming salamat nga pala sa mga nagpapadala ng buymeacoffee.com/langga.
That's buymeacoffee.com/LANGGA.
Speaking of coffee, nangangailangan pa rin naman po kami ng... Nakikita na kasi, baka nakikita ng mga langga na ang dami kong brudol pa. O nga, padala din yun.
Oo.
Literally, nag-manifest into really talagang physical.
Totoo.
Na pangkape.
Naggulat talaga ako ha. Hindi naman natin na nililista lang naman ni Jeric yun sa mga wishlist niya or sa mga list na.
Lang talaga.
Oo. Pero all of a sudden, ito bro, para sa'yo to. Or kuya,
kasi
sa'yo na lang to.
Kasi sinasabi ko doon sa iba na, pinagdasal kita dati. Yung pala namamonsensya pala.
Grabe siya.
Nagba-blackmail pala.
Nagba-blackmail para lang sa kape.
Salamat sa mga nagpapadala ng kape.
So going back to coffee, it goes back to the idea of really understanding your couple dynamics and whatever the two of you feel to feel restored, spend time doing that kasi alam ko na it will take effort to schedule.
Unwinding takes effort.
It may sound romantic na spontaneous siya palagi, but there is grace and there is joy in scheduling this timeless time sa schedule nyo.
Okay. So number 5 is make your Christmas romantic.
Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung saan ang galing yan. Ano daw?
Pag mga love scenes na yun
I don't know. To be honest, I don't know what kind of love scenes you're watching. But that is so scary.
Anyway, focus on your romance this Christmas season. Paano, Brother Jerry? Wala naman akong ka-romance. Wag una sa lahat, ikaw na walang ka-romance, wag ka muna mag-react ka. Para muna to sa may mga ka-romance.
True.
The holidays are a magical time for so many people. So, ikaw na wala kang ka-romansa ngayon, chill ka lang. Chill ka lang ha. Magical time nga eh. Baka ito na yon. Got to believe in magic. It's funny how two people find each other in a world full of strangers. So, ayan. So, what could be better than a little romance to add to the joy and wonder of your relationship? Especially kung mga maglangga na kayo. Kung may mga kids na kayo and they're older, pwede yan na magpapaalam muna kayo. Uy, mga anak, pwede ba? Gagawa muna kami ng pangatlo. Ganon.
Grabe. Grabe siya. Grabe siya. Nagpaparinig ka ba sa akin?
Real talk agad, di ba?
Sandali lang, oo.
Okay, Joseph and Zaylee, matatanda na kayo. Okay?
Kaya nyo nang magsaing. Our eldest is only 5.
Kaya nyo nang magsaing. Gagawa lang kami ng hindi pa kaya magsaing.
So, doon ka muna sa mga mama.
Doon ka muna. Oo. So basically,
grabe
parang
siya.
Lang, what I'm trying to say is, have an alone time. Especially kung may langga. Pero kung wala pa kayong mga kids, at hindi pa kayo kasal, please lang, wag nyo kaming i-quote na, ay, sabi kasi ni Kuya Jerry,
romantic yung Christmas namin para maging maganda yung
una sa lahat langga, tigil-tigilan mo. Wag mo ipasok yung New Year. Wait, di pa ako tumasa. Wag mo pasukin ang New Year. Huwag mong pasukin ang New Year
tapusin mo.
nang may kasalanan, nang wala kang kapayapaan. Di ba kasabi lang natin na kailangan magkaroon tayo, kaya nga restful Christmas.
True.
May peace.
Peace.
Huwag mong simulan sa kasalanan. So, please lang, don't be alone kung hindi pa kayo kasal or don't create near occasions of sin.
True. Pwede
kasi,
naman,
diba?
Pwede naman kasi maging romantic ng ibang way naman eh.
Oo. Ipapanganak nga si Kristo eh. Tapos gusto mo
sumasama din.
Sumasama ka rin sa pagbuntis. Huwag ganon. Ano ba naman yan?
Timing, my friend.
Timing mo naman. You have to emphasize the love you have for one another. Yun ang importante.
Kasi madali you can get so caught up in the schedule and preparing for Christmas na nakalimutan yung isa't isa, yung nisip mo, kailangan na asikasohin na yung mga bata, kailangan mamili tayo ng grocery, kailangan maasikasohin na yung Christmas lights,
kailangan magpaganda na ako para mag-propose na siya sa akin after Christmas.
Totoo. But all of these beautiful romantic gestures can happen from both sides as well, from both the wife, from both, or the husband. It's in the little things, it's in the big things. The idea is, the main goal is the intention behind it. So number 6, speaking of intention, number 6, the most important one is,
remember the reason for the season.
the reason why are we celebrating Christmas is not to find joa bells. It's not to escape from family drama. No, the reason why we celebrate Christmas, it's because it's the birth of our Lord. It's the birth of our King, and that is Jesus. And yung, especially mga langga, this year, hindi kami nakapag-start ng simbang gabi, but yung iba who have been able to start the novena through simbang gabi, we encourage you continue doing that. It reminds...
Huwag ka pupunta sa simbang gabi dahil kasama mo lang yung jowa mo or may gino-jowa ka dyan. Diba?
True.
Nakikita yan ng nagtitinda ng kandila. Kung anong
Nakikita yan
ginagawa
ng
mo.
mga lay minister. Ganyan yung mga gawain nyo dyan.
Kitang-kita yung mga gawain nyo. Hindi kayo nakikinig sa homily. Nandiyan lang kayo sa may gilid ng grotto.
Because it's in Tagalog. What am I gonna understand? I can't understand what the priest is saying.
Pasok, Gary V.
Oh.
As little children, we would dream of Christmas more, of all the gifts and toys we knew we'd find, but we never realized a baby born one blessed night gave us the greatest gift of our lives. We are the reason that He gave His life.
Sige.
We are the reason that He suffered and died. For a world that was lost, He gave all He could give to show us the reason to live.
I'm happy
Diba?
that you were able to do that.
This Christmas, mga langga, center your hearts on God. Reflect on His blessing, mercies, and grace.
Amen.
Diba? Huwag mo kalimutan yan. Huwag ka ma-stress kasi nakarating ka nga ng Christmas eh.
True.
Kinaya mo yung 12 months. Ngayon ka pa bibigay? Ngayon ka pa ba hindi makikinig kay Gary V?
Ngayon ka bang bibitaw after everything we've been through the past 12 months? Today, well, this season is a reminder that Jesus has not left. In fact, Christmas is a reminder that He is still here and that He's still working miracles in our lives. Kaya mga langga, instead of focusing on the gifts that you still need to buy, instead of focusing on the gifts that you've put on your wish list, let's allow ourselves the simple focusing on the gifts that God has given to us. In a way in this beautiful way to say goodbye to 2022 and to embrace the blessing and the grace that will come with 2023.
Merry Christmas, mga langga. We're here and we're praying for you that you will have a restful Christmas. Have yourself
a merry little Christmas.
Let your heart... Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam. Practice nga natin. Yun yung karaoke natin.
Sige nga, kakantahin natin ngayon. Ngayon
lang.
Kakantahan natin yung mga langga. Kasi feeling ko wala makikinig sa Christmas episode natin.
Skip kaya natin. Anong gagawin natin doon? Have yourself. Mga langga, sa totoo lang, ngayon lang namin.
Sinatra tayo.
Oo, ngayon
full
lang.
lyrics, nasa Google yan.
Oo, na-check ko na. Okay. Live to lang ka. Okay, live talaga. Oo.
Simulan ko ha. Mga langga, Merry Christmas. Kung magustuhan nyo itong kanda na to, buymeacoffee.com/langga.
That's buymeacoffee.com/LANGGA.
Kung ayaw nyo naman na kami padalan, padasalan nyo na lang kami. Okay, eto na. 1, 2, 3, go. Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Sobrang baba.
Ulit. Ikaw magsimula, yung key mo.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Let your heart be light.
Next year all our troubles will be out of sight. Hindi ate yung tono.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. Next year all our troubles will be miles away.
Once again, as in olden
Happy golden days of your
Ay, oh.
faithful friends who are dear to us will be near to us once more.
Someday soon we all will be together if the fates allow.
Until then, we'll have to muddle through somehow. So have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Always remember,